Welcome to Broken Hill, a town forged in stone, sweat and resilience. Nestled in the far west of New South Wales in Australia, it's the longest running mining town, rich in history and community spirit. Since the 1800s, Broken Hill has stood as a symbol of industrial strength and cultural endurance. From its iconic Federation-era architecture to its vibrant present-day streets, the town tells a story of transformation, one we're proud to be part of. When the Department of Education in New South Wales identified structural issues at Broken Hill North Public Schools, PV Projects led the charge. As the underpinning contractor, Bestunderpinning was engaged to replace 50 linear metres of salt-eroded stone footings, a challenge we met with precision and pride. Our solution: high-strength 40 MPa concrete pins, engineered for long-term stability. Every pin was placed with care, every pull backed by decades of experience. We don't just fix foundations, we reinforce futures. Today, Broken Hill thrives, a living canvas of culture, education and community. And beneath it all, our work stands strong, quietly supporting the next generation.